feeling like an animal. This one's gonna hurt. You can come back harder though. Let's go. Let's see. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money, it's the best gift from the Easter Bunny. I'm about to make some money, cause my people say you're funny. I never see the side of life where it's always sunny. I'm waiting with the bet, so I'm knocking on your door just to find out that you with your girl shopping at the store. Wanna go approach you cause I know you're really scared. I think I'm smelling the pussy cause you need to grow a pair. Elevation's getting higher cause I'm getting flyer in two tails. You need to stop rapping, go retire. Tell you only once cause I don't wanna crush your dream, but there's no way to be nice about it, no I'm sounding mean. You're like a bad actor in the movie, leave the scene. Martin Luther King once said I have a dream. Didn't wanna diss you cause I kill your self-esteem, but I had to go and do it cause rapping just ain't your thing. I'm leaving it at that cause people know it's a fact. And if you thinking that you better than me, just me on the track. I started you in the battle, I'll stab you in the back. And if we're going blow for blow, you know the winner will be Jack. Never looking back cause you know I'm in the lead, cause I'm getting daily updates on my phone about my feed. Now you sounding stupid cause you smoking up the weed, saying that you wanna beat me like Helen Keller can see. You hit me up on Facebook saying we should hit the studio, but I don't wanna rap with you because your flow is booty, yo. You should get a girl and you should take her to the movies, yo, but you need to stop rapping cause you're better off with Yu-Gi-Oh.